Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you the best setting for Dell G2724d. So guys, to get the best setting, what you have to do, navigate the brightness and contrast, adjust brightness and contrast, brightness make 75 and contrast 70, and for color setting make a custom color for red 98 and green 95. And after that, guys, what you have to do for more setting, and I have this one, as you can see here, the sharpness set for 50 for balanced, and image clarity, response time set for fast for gaming or high speed action, and input for color for format, use RGB for PC, and UYV for console, and HDR mode, enable HDR if supported, and watching HDR content. Otherwise, keep off to avoid oversaturation. This is you can get best setting, guys, for Dell. As you can see here, you can get the best setting by following this setting. Navigate brightness and contrast and color setting. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.